Trump Mania 2.0 Countdown to Trump Quick. Baking tonight. I'm your correspondent, Mr. Bravo. Donald Trump's latest wave of hardliner decisions is sending shock waves across America and beyond. We are counting down the most controversial moves, each one bigger, bolder, and more shocking than the last. The stakes are high, the impact is clear. Let's begin with the countdown. Number 10, political purge. Security clearances revoked. Trump revoked security clearances for 50 former top officials, including John Bolton and James Clapper, citing national security concern after they signed a letter regarding the Hunter Biden laptop controversy. Critics calls it revenge. Trump called it protection. Number 9. Climate action put on hold. Trump halted climate related funds under the IRA and the BIL falsely labeled them a part of the Green New Deal. Environmental groups are furious. They warn this will cripple American global leadership on climate change. Number 8. The Paris Agreement. America say goodbye again. Trump transition team prepares to withdraw the United States from the Paris Climate Accord for a second time. Meanwhile, Trump expands drilling and mining on public lands, sparking backlash from the global leaders. Number 7. Environmental protection rolled back. Trump appoints industry lobbyists to the Environmental Protection Agency, paving the way for getting climate policies and pollution controls. A disaster for clean air, water, and public health. Scientists are sounding the alarm. Number 6. Reinstating the Mexico City policy. Trump reinstated the controversial Mexico City policy, blocking U.S. foreign aid to any organization that provides or promotes abortion services. A major blow to the global reproductive rights. Supporters call it a victory for pro life policies. Number 5. A crackdown on transgender rights. Trump signs an executive order terminating diversity, equality, and inclusion DEI practices, restricting healthcare, education, and workplace rights for transgender individuals. LGBTQ plus advocates says this will erase years of progress. Trump's call it restoring American values. Number 4. Political payback. The Biden administration under investigation. Trump ordered the Attorney General to investigate the Biden administration for allegedly weaponizing the federal government. Revenge politics are a legal prop. The battle lines are drawn. Number 3. Executions resumed. The return of capital punishments. Trump signed an executive order reinstating federal execution, reversing Biden's moratorium on capital punishments. Is this justice served or a return to past? The nation is deeply divided. Number 2. Mass pardon for January 6 rioters. Trump pardoned hundreds of individuals charged in the January 6 Capitol attack, fulfilling a campaign promise to those he calls wrongfully persecuted patriots. Democrats call it a direct attack on democracy. Trumps call it justice. Now, coming over to number 1, and the most shocking move yet. US officials are left exposed to assassination threats. Trump revokes security protection for former Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, former Iran envoy Brian Hook, ex National Security Advisor John Bolton, and former medical advisor Dr. Anthony. Why does this matter? These officials were under direct assassination threats from Iran, especially Bolton and Hook, who were targeted in Iranian revenge plots after the US killed General Qasem Soleimani. National security experts call the reckless Trump team defended as cutting unnecessary costs, but it cost lives. What come next? With these extreme moves, Trump is reshaping American policies at a breakneck speed. But will this hardliner stance make America stronger or spark deeper conflicts? What do you think? How will the world react? What does this means for 2025? The clock is ticking. Stay with us as we bring you all the latest developments. This is Mr. Bravo reporting live from Washington, D.C. for Global Affairs Tonight, where the news never stops and the truth is always uncovered. Thanks for watching.